Good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. From Vienna to Philippines, it's time check, 10:25 a.m. here. And in the Philippines, it's 4:25 na ng hapon. So, dahil na-miss ko ang Pinas, guys, kaya eto, nagluto ako ng squid, bulad, and of course, bulad, egg, and corned beef. At syempre, guys, fried rice. So, ayan guys, na fried rice ako. And of course, guys, bulalo, noodles, Lucky Me bulalo. Yeah. Yan, bulalo flavor. At syempre guys, meron din tayong pakape. Nescafe Original from Philippines. So, lahat ng food ngayon guys, ng breakfast na niluto ko guys is Pinoy food. Kasi sobrang na-miss ko to guys nung nag-uwi ako. So, eto guys, kain tayo. Babush!